Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, after a lot of hesitation and contemplation on whether I should or should not start my YouTube, I have finally decided to go ahead and just take that step because it was much needed. I just felt like I needed something new. I needed a different direction in terms of my content, and I felt YouTube is going to be the best way forward. So, yeah, for those who don't know me, I am Kanvi and I've been a content creator since the past 7 years now. I majorly create content on Instagram. I don't know if you guys follow me. If not, that's my Instagram link. Please jaake follow kar lo. And yeah, so this is my first YouTube video. Wow. And I'm really excited to, kind of be a little more consistent, show a lot more about what I do in my daily life. I'm going to take you through everything on this channel. But for now, I was like, let's first do like a get to know me sort of a video. So, yeah, get your coffee cups. I have mine. And let's just dig into getting to know me. I had put out a story on Instagram asking people to ask questions to me that I would be answering in my very first video. So we have a list of questions. I've compiled the ones that I felt, would make sense for this video. And I'm just going to answer all of those for you. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first question was, where are you from? What have you studied? Your education background? So basically details about me. I've just compiled multiple questions into one, and I'm going to sort of answer everything for you guys. Where am I from? I am from Mumbai, been born and brought up here. As for my educational background, I have done my graduation in mass media, where I kind of was specializing in advertising. And post that, I did a course, like a 1 year diploma in luxury brand management, because at that point, luxury brands sort of fascinated me a lot and I wanted to learn a lot about it. And yes, uske baad I decided to do my post graduation. I did my MBA, again with specialization in marketing, because that was the background I was from. So marketing just made sense for me at that point. And yeah, so that was pretty much what I've studied. The next question is, why did you choose content creation as a career? Well, throughout my life there have been various things that I had wanted to do. I was always into dance initially since childhood. बहुत डांस करती थी, मैंने भरतनाट्यम सीखा है. I've learned a lot of Western styles. So there was a time when I wanted to actually become a choreographer, get into dance, the dance industry in general. But for various reasons, it didn't make sense for me at that point. So then I started focusing on my academics. And वो करते करते this whole, wave of content creation, came in like around 10 years back, I think. And I used to love being in front of the camera, because ever since I was a child, I've always been on stage performing in front of a crowd, So I just felt very comfortable in front of the camera, talking to people, creating videos. It just became a sort of a passion. So when I started, it was a passion. I didn't know कि इसमें कुछ career है कि नहीं, इसमें if I could make something out of this. I just started doing it, and us time pe there were a lot of content creators who started then, who are now mega creators, and I used to follow them a lot. I used to love the way they used to show their style, their makeup. There were various things that people used to create content on, and it just fascinated me a lot. So I just started doing that along with doing a job. Actually नहीं, मैं जब कॉलेज में थी तब से ही कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. बट वो साइड बाय साइड चल रहा था. इट वाज नॉट कि मैं उसको इतना सीरियसली लेती थी. एंड देन इवन देन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. आई डिड मल्टीपल जॉब्स, एंड उसके साथ भी आई वाज लाइक नहीं, लेट मी जस्ट कंटिन्यू दिस, क्योंकि बाय दैट टाइम content creation had become a thing. People were making money out of it. People were maybe not as much as abhi jitna log kar rahe, बट उस टाइम पे एक वो जो वेव आया था, एवरीबडी वाज डूइंग इट, एवरीबडी वाज मेकिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट, सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, एज अ सोर्स ऑफ अ पैसिव इनकम इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ गुड स्ट्रीम, यू नो, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ गुड फील्ड टू काइंड ऑफ explore my creativity, do something I like, and अगर उससे पैसे बन रहे तो ठीक है, नहीं बन रहा है तो भी it's okay. It was never like, you know, my main source of income ever. So yeah, that is how I you know, started creating content. I remember my very first video was a fashion video. I did like a style this. I had this denim skirt and I had styled it in like multiple ways, and I got a really good traction on that. People appreciated it. Of course, at that point, it was close friends and family, but that push, that motivation, you know, was something that kind of gave me the confidence to pursue it. So yeah, that's how it started. Okay, so the next question is, I'm doing my engineering and I want to start content creation, but I'm very confused and I don't know how to start. Okay, look, see, there is no specific way or a system in which, you know, content creation works. If you feel like you want to create content, just choose a niche. Choose कि ठीक है, अगर आपको ब्यूटी पसंद है, आपको फैशन पसंद है, you like creating content on lifestyle, like just, you know, your everyday life, just pick a niche and just go ahead. You know, it's not don't initially, I would say that don't keep any expectations from, you know, this industry. ये मत सोचो कि ओ मुझे पैसा कमाना है, इसके लिए मुझे कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनना है, नहीं, बिकॉज इफ यू स्टार्ट विद दैट इंटेंट, your work will become very mechanical, it will become very money oriented, you know. जो एक वो जो reality आती है as a content creator when you're creating content will kind of subside once you start getting paid, you know, for your content. Your way of thinking becomes so technical, इससे मुझे views आएंगे, इससे मुझे नहीं आएंगे, ये hook होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. don't think about all that. Just be raw, just be yourself. अगर आपको टिप्स देनी है, आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस बनाने हैं, आप वैसे बनाओ. अगर आपको फन एंगेजिंग वीडियोस बनाने हैं, आप वैसे बनाओ. There is no right way of going about it, you know. And of course, you know, if you're starting content creation, I understand that, you know, you're looking at it as a career path कि maybe 5 years down the line या 10 years down the line you can make something out of it. लोगों का जल्दी भी हो जाता है, but I'm just giving you a very realistic picture कि चलो after 5 years you reach a certain level of followers, certain level of engagement. हाँ, तब पैसे कमाने हैं, you know, it's not that कि पैसे नहीं कमाने. Of course, all of us are making money out of it. But if you're starting, just start very raw. Do what you like, show what you like, talk to people, try to create a community. I think that's how it's going to go. And आपको सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के कंटेंट क्रिएशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन डू इट पैरेलली विद अ जॉब. यू कैन डू इट while you're studying, you know, whenever you get the time, just shoot something and post it. See what is working out for your audience. See what kind of videos are, you know, working for you, what you are comfortable with. So that's it. Don't think about it. Just like go ahead, start creating content. That's how I think most of us have started. If it works out for you, great. If not, continue doing it as your passion. Kabhi na kabhi kuch na kuch to result milega. Okay. Hi, also guys, meet Jeannie. It's my friend Maitri's pet dog, and we love her, and she's decided to be a part of our video. So welcome, Jeannie. Meet everybody. Say hi. Okay. Coming to the next question, how do you manage work while being a mom? Okay, so people who don't know me, I just had a baby 6 months back, and yes, it's initially it was a bit difficult to manage work along with managing the baby, and I think that's a very normal thing to feel that way. Because it's a new experience, you're entering a new phase of your life. So there have been ups and downs, of course. But I think over a period of time, once you get into the routine, you sort of understand how to manage work and at the same time be there for your baby. Of course, support at home matters a lot. I don't think I would have been able to work the way I do today without the support of my in-laws, my parents, my husband, everybody. So yeah, that does matter a lot. But and I've been lucky that I have that kind of support. I'm extremely grateful for it. So yeah, it's been a roller coaster to be honest, but I think अब I'm at a stage where I know कि ठीक है मुझे दिन के इतने घंटे काम में देना है, and once I'm home, I do not think about work. I'm just going to be there for my baby. So yeah, I think it's just self realization, and that happens over a period of time. Next question: when did you realize content creation could become a career? My main source of income was never content creation. ठीक है पहले तो मैं इतना प्रेशर नहीं देती थी खुद को कि कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है, कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है. It was always my job first, and then whenever I used to get time I would shoot and just like shoot a week's content and just post it as and when. Then when I started getting brand deals, पहले तो वो भी नहीं पता था यार कितना चार्ज करना चाहिए. मतलब for the kind of content and the quality of content that I was providing, I was charging peanuts. But I think उस time पे वो required था to give me that push and to kind of get into the databases of influence agencies and brands. But yeah, slowly as my follower base grew, my engagement grew, I started getting good collabs, good brands with good pays. So then I took that decision that okay, I think content creation is something and it's getting me money. And honestly, I was done doing jobs, I was done working for others, so it just made sense for me कि मैं कुछ खुद का करूँ. And yeah, so that's how I started content creation. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this before. I run a social media agency with my friend Maitri. It's called Pink Panda Media. We do social media for brands. So that is also one business that I do along with content creation. How do you deal with hate comments? Luckily for me, इतने hate comments कभी आए नहीं है because I don't think I am still at that level where people would give hate, or I don't know how it works, but up tak luckily I haven't received any hate comments of that sort. But yeah, I mean there are times when people just comment rubbish and you just have to learn to kind of deal with it and ignore it, because I've realized जिसको हेट देना है वो देने ही वाला है, जिसको नेगेटिविटी स्प्रेड करनी है वो करने ही वाला है. इफ यू लेट इट अफेक्ट योर सेल्फ, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इनटू दिस होल सर्कल ऑफ overthinking and anxiety and a lot of things. And I don't think giving that amount of time to these kind of people who spread hate makes sense. So just like be positive, look at the positives, read positive comments, do not react to things that are being said unless it's absolutely necessary. And yeah, I mean it's fine. Yeah, there are always going to be a set of people who are going to hate you, love you. It's up to you what you choose and what you choose to focus your energy on. So yeah, that's how it works. Okay, next question: what apps do you use to edit? I do not use any fancy softwares. I use InShot one to basically cut and edit my videos, merge my videos, basic editing. I think InShot works best if you आप खाली सीख जाओ कैसे यूज करना है. It works wonders. In fact, मैंने काफी complicated videos भी InShot पे बनाए हैं. Then there is Vita that I use for adding effects. अभी edits भी आ गया है, so there are a lot of things you can do over there also. Overlays जैसे CapCut होता था जो इंडिया में नहीं है sadly, but काफी features हमें edits पे मिल जाते हैं, काफी features InShot पे मिल जाते हैं. For text and captions and stuff, I use edits because they have a good variety of fonts that you can use and animations. So yeah, these are pretty much the 3 apps that I use. And हाँ, कभी कभी I use Canva अगर मुझे कोई specific type का font चाहिए, कुछ specific type का animation चाहिए. So it's a mix and match of these 4 apps roughly. What's the next question? What's your dream brand collab? There are so many. I've always, like I said, I've always been inclined towards luxury brands. So अगर मुझे कोई भी luxury brand का collab मिल जाएगा, I will be on cloud 9. There are a lot of brands, yeah, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I think all brands are doing amazingly well. But yeah, there's one thing that I have on my vision board this year is that I want to I want a brand to take me on a trip, you know, for an event, or maybe just like, I don't know, for an event like a sponsored trip. That's a goal for me, ki kab I would get to, you know, travel with a brand. I think that is something that I really want to achieve very soon. So hopefully this year, fingers crossed. Is influencing actually a stable career? Yes and no. There are two sides to it. I know a lot of creators who are only focusing on content creation and they are doing wonders. They've reached great heights, um, minting money. But there are also creators who are doing pretty much well, but also have a side business that they can rely on. Because, yes, influencing or content creation as an industry is unstable, to be honest. आपको कोई मंथ्स में बहुत काम मिल जाएगा, कोई मंथ्स में आप जॉबलेस रहोगे. So it's there at the end of the day. It's up to you how you want to, you know, look at it. अगर आप stability चाहते हो and if you feel that content creation, like you're still a budding content creator and आपको अभी content creation से उतना income नहीं आ रहा है, do a job along with it या कुछ business कर लो where you know you're getting a stable income. एंड जब तक आपका कंटेंट क्रिएशन एज अ फील्ड सेट हो रहा है, तब तक आप आपके बिजनेस पे या आपके जॉब पे रिलाई कर सकते हो. एंड वंस कंटेंट क्रिएशन पिक्स अप फॉर यू, यू कैन decide to take it up full time or, you know, manage two things together. It's up to you. But yeah, in terms of stability, I would say it's not that stable because abhi the market has become very crowded. There are multiple content creators and everybody is doing so well. So yeah, आपका एक नाम बनाने, आपका एक नीश बनाने बहुत टाइम लग रहा है अभी. That's a thing I also face quite sometimes. But yeah, I think stability तो अभी हर इंडस्ट्री में नहीं है for various reasons. But yeah, अगर आप realistically पूछो, it's not a stable career until you reach a level. So that is the thing. Once you reach a level, then you can create a living out of it. Love your makeup. Have you learned makeup? Firstly, thank you. Thank you. I do try and put in a lot of effort in my makeup looks. Not that I do anything fancy or great like how so many creators are doing. I think they're doing a fab job. It's not my style. But no, I have not learned how to do makeup. Like I said, I've done a lot of dance shows. I've always, you know, been in front of a crowd and in front of an audience. So इवन कॉलेज में हम कॉलेज को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए काफ़ी डांस कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जाते थे, ऑल दीज कॉलेज फेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी न्यू हाउ टू डू आवर ओन मेकअप एंड वी यूज्ड टू डू इट क्विकली. सो वो करते करते आई थिंक आई हैव गॉटन अ हैंग ऑफ, you know, doing my own makeup. I cannot do anybody else's makeup. I can only do my makeup because I know my face and I know what suits me. But yeah, so throughout these years of me performing on stage, there were times when हमें खुद से ही हमारा मेकअप करना पड़ता था. हमारे पास मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हमेशा होते नहीं थे. So I've learned how to do my makeup then. And also जब मुझे मेकअप में इंटरेस्ट आने लगा, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos of amazing beauty creators, different hacks, eyebrows कैसे करते हैं, contour कैसे करते हैं, blush कैसे लगाते हैं, everything. So I think वो देख देख के I have developed that skill of, you know, doing my own makeup and knowing what suits me and what doesn't. Okay, so yeah, those were all the questions. I hope I've answered most of your questions. And अगर आपको और कोई questions है, please comment down in the comment section below. I would love to answer them in my upcoming videos. And yeah, as for this channel, I honestly don't have anything specific that I want to focus on. It's going to be the real me, raw me in my daily life, you know, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, everything that I love. I also have travel plans coming this year, so hopefully I can take you guys along there also. I want to create a lot of vlogs. I want to create a lot of informative videos, entertaining videos for you guys. So yeah, it's going to be a mix of everything. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share kar do. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.